welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. Welcome to my Durga Puja series. Today is day 3. So আজকে আমি create করব হচ্ছে এই beautiful lookটা. This is the most gorgeous golden look I have ever created. I think this is one of my favorite makeup looks that I have created, and yes, please let me know if you like this eye look or not. Also, this lip shade is so pretty. I got this for my mom and I thought I will try this today in this video, and I fell in love with it. What do you think about this shade? Isn't it so pretty? All in one, I think this look is super gorgeous. This is a traditional look. I thought I will do a traditional look today because I have done a simple look. I have done a colorful liner look. So today I thought I will do a beautiful traditional gorgeous look using golden eyeshadows. I think everybody does have a golden and bronze and brown eyeshadow. You can definitely go for this look. It's such a pretty look and everybody has a dark lip shade. And yes, if you want to see how I create this stunning look, then please keep on watching. First, today I will start with my sunscreen, and this is the NEUTROGENA sunblock. I'm going to apply this on my face as well as on my neck, and I will let it sit for some time, and then I will apply this LAKME Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer on my face. For foundation today, I will use my PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I'm gonna mix 2.1 and 3.3. The sponge here I'm using is from WISEHE. This is their Wise blender. To highlight my face, the concealer here I'm using is from Maybelline, and this is their Fit Me concealer in the shade number 25. And again I'm going to blend it with my Wise blender. Now I'm taking this KRYOLAN Derma Color Fixing Powder, and first I will apply this under my eyes, and the brush here I'm using is from CARA. This is F004, and later on I will take the same sponge and I'm going to press down the same powder on my face. So for bronzing up my skin, I'm using this MUA Sun Kissed Bronzer, and the brush here I'm using is the same CARA F004 brush. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Blush Palette. I'm going to mix both the shades for my blush. Now I'm going to set my face with the COLOURFEEL Makeup Setting Spray. And while it's drying, I'm going to fill in my brows off camera. For my eye makeup today, I will use the FOCALLURE Paris palette. The first shade I'm going with is Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to apply this shade on my crease with the help of my PAC 204 blending brush. Next, I'm taking the shade Omelette on my LAKME E006 brush, and I'm going to blend that shade on my crease. Next up, I'm going with the shade Shade 2, and I'm taking that on my Pro Arte PE19 brush, and I'm going to place that shade on the outer corner of my eye. First, I will just pack the color on the outer corner of my eye, and then with the PAC 204 blending brush, I'm going to blend it out. Also, I'm using the same shade and the same brush on my lower lash line, but I'm mainly focusing on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Applying the shade Omelette on my inner corners with the help of my LAKME E008 pencil brush. Next up, I'm taking the shade Dwellers on my Morphe shader brush, and I'm going to apply that shade on my eyelid. First, I applied directly, but I wanted to intensify the shade, so I applied a little bit of setting spray on my brush and then applied it again. Now you can see how beautiful and intensified it looks. Next, I went with the shade Croissant to just blend the matte brown and the gold shade. And I'm applying this Etude House Bling Bling Eye Stick in the number 16 on my lower lash line. Now I'm applying some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara. And for my falsies, I went with WISEHE GEET. And lastly, for my highlighter, I went with the NYKAA Duo Highlighter in the shade Glitterati, and I'm applying that with my eyeshadow blending brush by Oriflame. I will also apply the highlighter on my nose as well as on my brow bone. And for my lipstick, I went with Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Matte Lipstick in the shade Scandalous number 13. And here you can see how happy I was with this look. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yes, click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, and yes, share this video with your friends and family. I do think this eye look and this lip complements each other so well. All the products will be listed down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I hope to see you guys tomorrow with my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.